Hello students, today I am here with special multiplication trick for 9. Are you ready to learn? Let us start learning. Multiplication by 9. Look at this table of 9. Do you ever observe this 9 table? When you add 9 plus 0 is 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9, and the same you can see here. All when you add two numbers it becomes 9. This is the magic of 9. So let us see multiplying 9 with different numbers. Now if I want to multiply 6 multiply by 9, 8 multiply by 9, 72 multiply by 9, 37 multiply by 9. So how can we do this? Very simple. You will say two digits can be done you know the table of 9, but to show you the trick, simple example is more better. Step 1. 1 less than 6 is 5. Now step 2, you have to see how much if you add to this 5 to become 9. 5, if you add 4 to that, it will become 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. Write that 4. This is our answer. Once again, one more step 1. Less than 1, 8 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So I am writing here 2. This is our answer. Come to this 72. Less than 1, 72 number is 71. Now you will see for this number how much if you add you will get 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. This is our answer. Look at this one more example. 37. 1 less than that number is 36. Now go for 3. How much you add become 9? 3 plus 6 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. So this is our answer. Isn't it so easy? You take any number with two-digit number we have taken, right? Now let me take another example which is of 3-digit multiply by how many digits you have taken? That many digits of 9s. This is 1. See here, which one number less than that is 3735 is less than one number. Then you see 4 digits, 4 9s, 4 you have to write here. 3 plus 6 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. This is your answer. Isn't it so easy? So here you must have observed I am taking how many digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 9s. Here 2 digits, 2 9s. Same way here if you are taking 1 digit is equal to 1 9. 2 digit you will see 2 9s. 3 digit 3 9s and 4 digit 4 9s, and you can take so on. So this trick is applicable only for number of digits according to number of 9s. If I am taking here another number, let us suppose I have got this, any big number you take. 3589 multiplied by 9999. First step, you will take 1 less than 3588. Not to confuse, here just put one point. So you have to write that many addition of 9s. 3 plus 6, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. Now, isn't it easy? Now, you must be thinking, if there are more 9s than the given numbers, and if there are less 9 than the given numbers, how will we do? Yes, you are going to learn this in the coming episodes. I am sure you must have understood the trick. Practice some more examples. Use the trick. If you have not seen the last episodes of multiplication tricks, do watch. It will increase your multiplication speed. I will be back with some more concepts in next episodes. All the best, children. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. There is lots more in upcoming videos.